Imagine peering into deep space and something stares back. 326 million light-years away. It looks like an owl, but it's not. It's something far more violent. In July 2025, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope captured a never-before-seen phenomenon, a pair of colliding galaxies forming what looks exactly like an owl's face. A cosmic creature staring across time, 326 million light-years away. But don't let its beauty fool you. This cosmic owl is the result of cosmic violence. And understanding what you're really seeing will change how you think about galaxies and the origin of stars. To decode the owl, you first need to understand ring galaxies, among the rarest galactic structures in the universe. Ring galaxies usually form when a smaller galaxy punches through the center of a larger one. The gravitational shockwave pushes gas, dust, and stars outward in a ripple, like throwing a rock into a pond, creating a bright, glowing ring. But in this case, the cosmic owl is not one, but two ring galaxies, each one with a black hole in its core, each glowing like an eye. Scientists call this structure a collisional ring galaxy pair, and only one other like it has ever been found. So what makes this one special? When two galaxies collide, it's not the stars that crash. Space is too vast for that. But their gravitational fields, gases, and especially their supermassive black holes begin a violent dance. In this case, JWST revealed two galaxies mid-merger. Their black holes likely stirred up surrounding material, triggering waves of intense star formation, a process called starburst. The eyes of the owl? Those are likely active galactic nuclei, bright centers powered by matter spiraling into black holes. The collision didn't just create the owl's face, it gave birth to thousands of stars, all in a single cosmic ripple. Before JWST, this structure was invisible, too faint, too far, too clouded by interstellar dust. But with its infrared capabilities, JWST pierced through the veil. It showed us galaxy anatomy in real time, not just shapes, but energy flows, radiation signatures, and temperature differences. The cosmic owl isn't just a pretty face, it's a laboratory, a way to observe what happens when galaxies collide, when black holes awaken, and when new stars are born from chaos. Scientists believe this system will eventually settle into a single, massive elliptical galaxy. But right now, we're watching galactic adolescence, awkward, violent, and full of transformation. And it helps answer deeper questions. How did the first galaxies form? What role do black holes play in galaxy evolution? Can starbursts create habitable systems? The owl might look serene, but it's pure transformation. And someday, our own Milky Way will collide with Andromeda in a similar dance. Some say the universe is looking back at us. The cosmic owl feels like a cosmic reminder that in every structure, there's a story. In every collision, a beginning. Subscribe to Beyond Light Years for cosmic stories that explain the science, but leave you questioning everything. Drop a comment. Cosmic Owl is watching us.